Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: iOS version, free space, and an active Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, download Test Flight from the App Store. This is required to join iOS betas. Make sure WhatsApp is installed and your current account is verified with your phone number. Next, prepare to accept invites. You'll use a Test Flight link or invite code. While you do that, keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and charging to avoid interruptions. You now join the beta. Open the Test Flight invite link or accept the invite email while signed into the same Apple ID. This binds the beta to your account. Tap Join, then Install. Grant permissions when prompted so WhatsApp can access contacts and notifications. Once installed from Test Flight, open the app and confirm your phone number. If the beta is full, keep Test Flight notifications on and check regularly for open slots or a waitlist update, because slots rotate frequently. You finish by using the beta build and sending feedback through Test Flight's Submit Feedback button. Explain steps to reproduce any bug. Make sure Test Flight and WhatsApp stay updated. Install new beta builds as they appear to get fixes. If the app crashes or installation fails, restart your iPhone, sign out and back into the App Store if needed, then reinstall Test Flight and the beta. If problems persist, remove the beta build and revert to the App Store version to preserve your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.